All right, so for the move into the new studio, so we are going to get 10 new Roombas to make a video out of. We're gonna go on eBay, and Mommy and Daddy.
Oh my God! Wow!
Are you excited? We're gonna do 10. We're gonna order them. 10 new Roombas. Yeah.
Oh my gosh!
Mommy and Daddy are gonna get you 10 new Roombas, okay?
Are they working or for parts?
We'll get to pick together. We get to go to eBay and check it out.
Hold
okay?
on, you're gonna choose?
No, you, me, and Mommy are gonna look online.
When?
Once we get into the new studio. Pretty exciting?
Oh my gosh!
And we'll get to make some we'll make some videos out of them.
Do they have to be cheap?
The cheapest.
The cheapest?
No, they're not all gonna be cheap. They're not all gonna be expensive.
Hold on, did you already find some?
Nope. This has been something we're gonna do.
I just really have one I want to get that's like $100.
Okay. Okay. Well, we'll figure it all out, but we're gonna have this as a part of a video where you're gonna get 10 new Roombas. Yeah. Can you tell everyone how excited you are?
Yeah! In this video today, my dad bought me 10 robot vacuums for this video. And this house might look a little different because my dad bought it so I can do all of my Roomba videos, and let's unbox them. And these packages might look a little different inside. So, like that one, it might look a little different over here. This. But if the boxes look familiar to you, it's maybe your robot you sold on eBay. So these are all from eBay. So we bid for them, bought them. Yeah, so let's unbox them. The first one I want to unbox is this Roomba 560/561. I'm really excited. Huh? So? It's already packaged. There's instructions. We have a cleaning tool. This is going to be handy. We have this is a bit dusty. But we have these 2 virtual walls. And we have the power cable and charging station. And the robot vacuum. This is a bit dirty, actually. A little dirtier than I expected. This is a bit dirty and dusty. See, it says 561. So let's plug it in. I'm gonna do it right here.
I got the Roomba this way.
This is a bit hard.
Look at
there we go. We have iRobot Roomba 560/561. So it feels like these have batteries in them. So I think this has batteries. Roomba 560/561. So now let me open this one. This is the Roomba 801. I gave my 805 to my grandma because we swapped Roombas. So she has that. So I really wanted another 800 series, so I got an 801. And I bid this for this one myself. It's a bit dirty. It needs a good clean, but that is okay. I never had this model actually, so I'm quite happy I have it. Where's the power cable? That's okay. This 770, one of the Roombas might be fully charged, so I can use it. So
It's okay.
here's the Roomba E5. That is a toy. Oh, this one does have a charger and power cable. So let me plug it in. Let me untangle this. This is a bit hard to untangle. Alright, there. So let's plug it in. So here's the Roomba. Put it on. They're charging! It's charging right there. I'm really happy. So that's charging. And this, my dad got it for me. This is amazing. This is a self-emptying bin iRobot Roomba i6 Plus. I never had an i-series. This is an i-series, but I never had an i6, i7, i3. That's an i-series. But let's unbox this. This one does have here. This is the robot itself. Oh, that scared me. See, it looks pretty clean. Here's the side brush and the rollers. So let's take out the docking station. This is the self-emptying bin. So it's off. They packaged this nice Roomba really well. So that's nice. So here we let's put this next to the E5 because it'll look nice next to it. There's a little wrapper so you can wrap your power cables. So, enough.
You're gonna pop us louder.
Oh, the light's on. Oh, let's see the bag. It's pretty dirty, but I have some replacement bags at home that I could use to replace it. I have some replacement bags, so that's okay. It looks really nice. I like the white. So the difference of the i6 and i7 is just the color. This is white and the i7 is black, and they come with different accessories. Let's unbox this iRobot Roomba 981. So I had a 900 series, my 960, but I never had a 980 or a 981, 980. Let's oh, it reloaded. Yeah, 981. Look how nice this looks. We got this for $72 and look how nice it looks. For only $72. It's amazing. And like, look how clean this looks. This looks brand new. This looks brand new. 981 number. It's a bit dusty, but that's what all Roombas have.
Dang, that's really nice. Look how it's like a gradient color.
Yeah, that's why I wanted it. And here are the charger. Oops, she found this. It's funny. And this box has it has the power cord, and that's all what it comes with. Roomba charger and power cord. The power cord here. So there we go. The charging. So that's the 981. And this is the iRobot Roomba 770. This one might look a little different inside because I I had to check on something in here. So, but it has everything. Roomba itself. Oh, guys. Oh no, I forgot there's no side brush on. This is the side brush. I have to find the screw to put it on. Here's a cleaning tool, a filter, some more packaging, 3 virtual light houses, and a charger. It did need a new battery, so I just replaced it. So the charger, power adapter, 3 virtual walls, extra filter, cleaning tool, and a side brush for Roomba. So let's put this on. Alright, that looks pretty nice. So here is the iRobot Roomba 690. Has a bit of a story. So I got it I bid for it, won it, got it, and I received it in a Wise robot vacuum box. And I opened it up. It didn't have no charger, no power cable, the Roomba itself, and it had a Wise spinning brush. So they're sending the charger, and we told them that there was a Wise spinning brush, but I have the charger inside here. I put in a different charger in there. So we're gonna receive it. This is pretty clean. We got this for $66. It's pretty clean. So charger, power cable. So this is the Roomba itself. The charger and the power cable. So I'm gonna plug it in right here. This is hard. So we have 690. Oh, it's charging. That's good. That one's charging. And I know the perfect one to sit next to. This one, it's a shit box, which is really funny. But this is an iRobot Roomba 675. I got a 675, but I broke it. I love taking apart Roombas. Here is the Roomba itself. And it has the charger and power cable. That's nice. So here is the power cable. It was attached to a rubber band. That was funny. The rubber band for holding. Oh, this needs snapping. Why are these not snapping? There. The charger. Oh, so this and this is a Wi-Fi Roomba, and this 981 and the i6 Plus and the Roomba E5 are all Wi-Fi, but the older ones are not. They have scheduling buttons like this one. You can set schedules. Now I'm gonna unbox this iRobot Roomba i1. So this one is for parts. It was really nice that it said for parts, so I thought I could fix it. Yeah, but I'm gonna fix it. So this is really packaged. So here's the charger and Roomba. So let's do the charger. So it's really packaged. Oh, this is really nice. Look, it's not really that dusty. That's nice. And this is the Roomba sticker. The I one. So this, my dad really wanted it because this looks really nice. So this top looks really nice and the bottom looks really nice. Side brush is pretty good. The caster wheel. The brushes look brand new. And this vacuum bin is pretty good. Let's put it on here. So the i1, it's really nice. It's like the i6 Plus, its color. So it's gonna do that and boot up. And now we have our last Roomba, which is gonna fit right in there. Cover. This is the Roomba, iRobot Roomba 618. I wrote 618 there. So let's open it. So my dad actually wanted, we were gonna get the world dirtiest Roomba. So we got the world dirtiest Roomba and here it is. And this needs a really good cleaning and it doesn't come with a charger. So I'm gonna make a separate video of cleaning all of these 10 Roombas. So yeah, this is the really dirty. Yeah, this is the world's dirtiest Roomba. So this is how it looks on the bottom. This barely spins. All in there. These rollers are disgusting. So I'm gonna have to do another video of cleaning this. So thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the reviewing and cleaning of these Roombas and bye.